a new keyboard on Thursday. I ordered on Amazon, and I got this Leobog Hi75, Hi75. And so I got all the extra stuff that they gave you, and then this is what I did. It's a green one. Hi75C Pro aluminum alloy with ice vein switch. So this was $65, I think. 60 something dollars. It was on sale, so I got it on the Rainforest, I guess, because I don't know. And then I got also this one, the OHY XV MOA profile keycap set, Japanese Mount Fuji theme, green one. So I got that, and because after I bought the keyboard, they gave me free shipping for anything after that, so I got it. So it was like $20 something. As you can see, I just put some onto the keyboard. Just for to see if it was nice or not. And it was nice. So as you can see, this is the row that I did. The PBT frosted translucent keycaps. So I got green because this one was a green keyboard cap set. So what I did was only this side here, and then the keyboard space bar, and then here is the back button. And then the minus button, minus key. I couldn't do the escape button. I wanted to change it, but it was so hard to do it with the other with this. So I'm just gonna use the other thing, that the keycap grab holder, the metal one or whatever it is, and then we'll do that. And then here is the trio. So USB-C wired and Bluetooth mode. So this is the USB dongle. Yeah. It has no flippy feet kickstand, so that's a little bit weird. And this is heavy, and so let me show you. That color. And then here is the sounds, so you can hear. And then this also changes color. The knob changes, so you can turn it off or you can turn it on. And then you do these. So that, okay, let me type. On the regular keys first. And then the space bar. And then here is the, what is it? The change caps. The frosted translucent ones. I like both, so I'm just gonna keep this for now, and then later I'll change the other ones and then make it all green, well, translucent and green, or I'll just keep it like this for now and then decide. So I like it, but I thought it was a little bit clackier. This one seems a little bit clackier. So, I don't know. The next one, I'll probably buy another keyboard next month. So, that is my unboxing and review of type testing of the Leobog Hi75 Pro. Thank you for watching.